Hello friends, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I am dealing with spectroscopy. This is very important topic of chemistry in which I'll start first of all UV spectra. This is lecture number 2 and in this lecture again I will explain you introduction of spectroscopy. Okay, so spectroscopy. For that we should know certain things about ourselves. For example, the most difficult thing to know is to know person, because a person is a human being. So to know a person is very difficult. Suppose you have a friend. Of course everyone has friend. Your close friend. Do we know our friend? What does he or she think about ourselves? Is it possible to find out? Yes. Everyone has subconscious mind. And in subconscious mind, friend may not think properly about us. So to how to find out? Actual feelings about us. From our friend. So what does a friend think of myself? There are two methods to find out this. The first one, when a person is drunk, that means he or she is out of control. A drunk always speak truth. That is the thoughts of unconscious mind. What are thoughts, the how he or she is thinking about ourselves? That we can find out by this method. Of course, this may not be useful in dry state, but this is one of the method. Second method, for that we have to irritate a person. When you irritate a person, he or she will start talking about yourself, and that is truth. Okay? Angry man or woman always speak truth and truth only. Okay, so for that you have to irritate the person. Okay, so irritate, how will you irritate? How will you make any person angry? Of course, you have to disturb his thoughts. So disturbance is very important. So to bring anger, on the surface, we need energy. We need energy or some kind of statements. That is nothing but we have to use our efforts. I mean energy means efforts. Then person can speak truth about yourself. Okay. So second method is, I think, much more easier for us, and therefore we can apply the same thing, same type of process to find out internal structure of any molecule. Okay, molecule also behave like human. So if we want to find out internal structure of molecule, particularly organic molecule, then we have to irritate molecule. Now, how will you irritate molecule? By giving energy. Now, which is the source of energy? Light. So, when a molecule is exposed to certain light, when a molecule is exposed to certain light, it gets irritated. And provide us important information about its internal structure. Okay. So to find out internal structure, one has to give certain light to the molecule. Okay, so light is very important source of energy which can irritate molecule. So it is basically a source of energy for irritation to the molecule, and that will bring certain informations about a compound. Light. Before that, we should know what is light. Light has a dual nature. That is particle, which we call photon or quanta, and wave. Well, particle is having negligible weight. Therefore, we do not experience particle nature of light, but we experience wave nature of light, and therefore light is having wavelength and frequency. These two are very important phenomena related to wave nature of any particular part. Okay, now lambda is a wavelength which we measure in angstrom, nanometer, picometer, micrometer, or anything. So we should know the conversion factors also, that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter equals to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter equals to 10 raised to minus 12 meter. 1 micrometer, millimicron is equal to 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter equals to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. And 1 micron is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter equals to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. And frequency is measured in cycle per second. We write second inverse or hertz. Okay, the relation is 1 hertz equal to 10 raised to minus 3 kilohertz equals to 10 raised to minus 6 megahertz. Okay, so these are some terms related to frequency and wavelength. Okay, so light is basically known as electromagnetic radiation, and the main source is sunlight. So what EMR has various fractions. So the first fraction is known as cosmic rays. The second fraction is known as gamma rays. The third fraction is called X-rays. The fourth fraction is known as ultraviolet. Next section is visible. Then we have infrared. Infrared. Then there will be microwaves. And then last one is radio waves. Now with reference to wavelength, if we see the wavelength of different things, like wavelength of cosmic rays will be 0.001 angstrom, and its frequency would be about 10 raised to 21 hertz. Wavelength of gamma rays is about 1 to 100 picometer, and frequency is roughly 10 raised to 18 hertz. About X-rays, it is up to 10 nanometer wavelength, and frequency is about 10 raised to 15 hertz. Ultraviolet, from 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer, and frequency is about 10 raised to 15, so this is roughly 16, and this is 10 raised to 15 hertz. Visible, the wavelength of visible is up to 750 nanometer, and frequency is about 10 raised to 14 hertz. Okay, 10 raised to 14 hertz. And IR is about 50 micron, microwave 100 centimeter, and radio is about 10 meter. Okay, so this is about different fractions of light. Thank you so much.